Today's topic is adding bullets and numbering. You have already learned to add bullets and numbers in MS Word documents. This option is very useful in MS PowerPoint presentations. 2. We insert bullets and numbers to present our text in a logical and step-wise manner. We use the following steps to add bullets and numbers. Step 1. Select the required text to be bulleted or numbered. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Bullets or Numbering in the paragraph group and choose an option from the gallery. These are the steps for adding bullets or numbering in a PowerPoint presentation. You can add bullets or numbering in a slide with the help of given steps. It is very useful tool when you want to arrange text in a logical groups. Next topic is inserting tables. Tables consist of data that is presented in row and columns. Let us follow these steps to insert a table in a slide. Table is a collection of rows and columns where intersection of rows and columns is called a cells and collections of cells is called a table. Let us follow these steps to insert a table in a slide. Step 1. Select a slide layout including a table placeholder, for example, title and content. Step 2. Click on the table placeholder. The Insert Table dialog box opens up. Step 3. Enter the required number of rows and columns. Click on OK button. Step 4. Fill in the required data in the empty table that appears. We can click on Table from the Insert tab on the ribbon to make a table directly. With the help of given steps, we can insert a table in a slide. Next, applying theme. A theme contains a set of colors and fonts as well as many special effects. It is used to make a slide attractive. Let us follow these steps to apply a theme to various slides in a presentations. Themes are a collection of colors, fonts, and special effects. It is used to make a slide attractive, user-friendly. Let us follow these steps to apply a theme to various slides in a presentation. Step 1. Click on Design tab. Step 2. Click on More button in the Themes group. Step 3. Select any theme and note the preview effect on the slide in the background. Click to apply the selected theme to all slides. It will apply all slides. Next, editing theme. You can edit a theme by changing its font, color, effect, background styles, etc. In order to change colors in a theme, we select the slide, click on Colors from the Themes group in the Design tab and select a color of our choice. You can easily edit in a themes by changing font, color, effect, background styles, etc. To change the background style for the theme, select a slide, then click on Background Style from the Themes group in the Design tab and select a style of your choice. With the help of these steps, we can easily change the background styles of a theme. Next topic is animations in PowerPoint. It is very useful tools of Microsoft PowerPoint. In MS PowerPoint, animations are used to make your presentations attractive and more appealing. Animating slides, slide transitions. You can use the slide transition option to check how and when the slides appear during a slideshow. In order to apply slide transition, follow these steps. Slide transitions is a tool you can apply different types of animations ड्यूरिंग स्लाइड शोज। आप डिफरेंट टाइप के एनिमेशंस को अपने स्लाइड पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और ये इफेक्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ स्लाइड शो दिखेगा आपको। मूविंग टेक्स्ट, एनिमेटिंग पिक्चर्स, ऑडियोज, वीडियोज। In order to apply slide transitions, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the slide where the transition is to be applied. Step 2. Click on Transition tab. Step 3. Click on More button. In transition to this slide group, we can see a gallery containing various transition effects. Step 4. Click to apply the required effect after checking the preview effect of the slide. You can modify transition, set speed and sound as required from transition to this slide group. You can also apply a common transition effect on all slides in a slideshow. Step 5. Click on Preview from Design tab for slide preview. Click the Slideshow button on status bar and see the slideshow containing transition effects. With the help of these steps, we can easily apply different types of transitions to our slide. Animating text and objects. Custom animations. You can use the custom animation option to animate text, graphics and other objects to enhance representation and control the flow of information in a slideshow. You can use these steps to apply animations. Animating text and objects. These are the options when you want to apply animations to slide. We can easily apply animations to text, graphics and other objects to enhance representation and control the flow of information in a slideshow. Steps are given if you want to apply animations to slide. Step 1. Select the object to be animated. Step 2. Click on Animations tab. Step 3. Click on Custom Animations. In the animation group, you will see that Custom Animation task pane has been opened. Step 4. Click on Add Animation button. A list appears with 4 options. You can choose any one of these options. First one is if you want to make the object in the slideshow enter with an effect, click on Entrance to choose the effect. Second, if you want to add an effect to the object on the slide, click Emphasis, choose the effect. Third one, if you want to add an effect to the object that make it leave the slide at particular time, click on Exit and then choose an effect. And fourth one, if you want to add an effect to make an object move in a particular pattern, the options Motion Path to specify the pattern. Step 5. Click on the play button for watching the slide preview. With the help of given steps, we can easily apply animations to our slide. Here given 4 types of options: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. We can easily select any one of them, and if you want to see the effects of the animations, then click on play button to see the preview of the slide. You can run the slideshow and view the presentation now. Then you can see the slideshow presentation. Next topic is inserting music. Let us follow these steps to insert music in a slideshow. If you want to insert a music in a slideshow, then follow given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Sound from the Media Clip group. Step 3. Select any one option from the list. Options are: first, sound from Clip Organizer. It is used to display the clip art task pane, including sound files. You can click on the file to add it in a slide. And second one, sound from file. It is used to display the insert sound dialog box. You can select a music file available in the system and click on OK button. With the help of these steps, we can easily insert music in a slide. Next, let us remind, PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. PowerPoint हमें अलाउ करता है स्लाइड क्रिएट करने के लिए डिफरेंट टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं. With the help of these tools, we can easily create a slide. You can make your PowerPoint presentation more attractive by इंसर्टिंग पिक्चर्स। आप अपने स्लाइड शो प्रेजेंटेशन को अट्रैक्टिव बना सकते हैं बाय इंसर्टिंग पिक्चर्स। टेबल आर यूज्ड टू इंसर्ट डेटा इन रो एंड कॉलम्स। टेबल इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं आप अपने स्लाइड में डेटा को अरेंज करने के लिए। स्मार्ट आर्ट इज यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट टेक्स्ट ग्राफिकली। अगर आप अपने टेक्स्ट को ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं तो स्मार्ट आर्ट का यूज कीजिए। बुलेट्स एंड नंबर्स आर यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट एंड डिस्क्राइब टेक्स्ट इन अ लॉजिकल एंड स्टेप वाइज मैनर। बुलेट्स एंड नंबरिंग का आप यूज कर सकते हैं अपने टेक्स्ट को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एंड टेक्स्ट को लॉजिकल एंड स्टेप वाइज मैनर में रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए। थीम्स आर अ सेट ऑफ प्रीडिफाइंड बैकग्राउंड्स ऑफ योर स्लाइड। थीम्स प्रीडिफाइंड बैकग्राउंड है हमारे स्लाइड का। स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन मीन्स एडिंग एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स टू द स्लाइड। स्लाइड ट्रांजिशंस में आप ऐड कर सकते हैं एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स। Custom animation means adding a special visual or sound effect to the objects present in the slide. Custom animation की मदद से आप स्पेशल विजुअल और साउंड इफेक्ट्स डाल सकते हैं अपने ऑब्जेक्ट और स्लाइड्स पे। थैंक यू।